Welcome to IAS prepz, a complete preparatory course for civil services aspirants. Now, what is this preparatory course all about? See, every civil services aspirant in the beginning of his or her preparation are very much confused about what to prepare and what not to prepare. Now, in fact, when they actually attend the classes, there will be certain senior-most teachers or professors who will be discussing with basic concepts as well as advanced level of concepts in the same class. Now, in all such scenarios wherein you might require to get to the standard of a teacher, a student should already have to have some kind of basic knowledge of fundamental concepts in that particular topic. Now, this preparatory course is all about giving you those basic concepts which are relevant to your civil service preparation before you actually seriously prepare for civil services examination. This IAS prepz is a preparatory course for you kind of a person, you kind of an aspirant who want to write your civil service preparation next year June, but this year May and June onwards you want to start your serious preparation. But prior to that, you want to know basics, what exactly the syllabus of civil service examination, what are all those concepts that you really require to learn before you actually start your serious preparation in May or June of this year. You might be a candidate of who have completed your graduation, or you are pursuing your graduation, maybe first year, second year, third year, or final year if at all you are doing engineering. But whoever you might be, this preparatory course definitely will be useful for you in understanding the basic concepts of all core areas like polity, Indian economy, Indian and world geography, and then history of India, ancient, medieval, modern history, as well as world history, and then post-independent development. That means since 1947 till today, whatever development that happened in India especially, focus on in India, all these developments in the spheres of political sphere or economic sphere or science and technology sphere or defense arena or international relations or whatever might be the sphere or perspective in which you are looking at, the post-independent developments also you are supposed to learn because that is part of your civil services syllabus. Sometimes it so happens that in the actual classroom, it might be difficult for a teacher to explain certain basic concepts. For example, in geography, if you say physical geography, equator, longitude, latitude, you would have heard about these words in your school days itself, but you might not be so aware of what exactly they are or the consequences of the 23.5 degree inclination of the Earth's axis vis-a-vis the plane of the rotation of Earth. See, you would have heard about all these things, but you might not be so well aware of, or having the clarity might be missing. Now, in all such cases, this IAS prepz is an ideal thing, ideal course, a simple course, which can actually clear all these concepts for you. First thing, this IAS prepz clarifies all your basic doubts. Number two, it enhances your knowledge, your understanding of all the basics and the fundamentals required in all the core areas, polity, economy, geography, history, science and technology, as well as post-independent developments. Any concepts that you need to get cleared will be clarified in these lectures, video lectures. And then this in fact covers, this course covers NCERT books, the content of NCERT books from 6th standard to 12th standard, and not only that, other materials which are better than NCERT, or some areas where you feel like this book is having a better explanation, and all these books are also covered in this preparatory course. And also, it has almost 100 hours of small videos which actually cover all these areas which I just mentioned. And it's not a small thing, covering all these areas in just 100 hours. It's really a beautiful thing, which is properly planned and then classified ones in such a way that every topic like polity, economy, geography, history, or whatever is a topic is covered in a very lucid manner, in a very simple, clear explanations. If you complete this preparatory course, you get very good awareness about the basic concepts of all these polity, economy, geography, history, and post-independent developments. Because of that, you can easily understand the newspaper on daily basis. Today's newspaper, if you see, if you really have already gone through this preparatory course, today's newspapers, every element of today's newspapers, you can really easily understand. And that's a very good thing that is going to happen for your preparation. Once you complete this preparatory course, I'm pretty sure that any civil services long-term course that you are going to attend will be 100% fruitful for you. And then with this, I complete this. Thank you so much.